Russia announcing they're cutting oil output in retaliation for Western sanctions. Jared Blikre here to break down that move. Jared, what are we seeing?
That's right. Oil, actually energy, the biggest performing and the greatest performing sector today. It's on the back of WTI crude oil futures. This is a chart going back 5 days, and this big spike up here is the announcement this morning that Russia is going to be cutting 500,000 barrels a day from its production capacity next month. That's coming from a level of over 10 million. So we're talking roughly about, what is that, 25% right there. Now, let me take a look at the energy sector. As I said, it's leading today. It's also been leading this week. Let me show you the 5-day performance. This is now tech really taking its first dose of medicine this year, and you can see energy outperforming. This reminds me of the last year because look at this. Energy vastly outperforming everything else. Most of these other green stocks, ETFs barely green right here, and here's what happened over the last 2 years. XLE up 100%. So let's move to our energy board and just see what's going on here. Here's what's going on today. Exxon up another 4%. Now, we've had a lot of these, all the oil majors have released their earnings now, and a common theme is a return of shareholder capital along with record profits. Let me show you what has gone on with Exxon, and I prepared this last week, but I want to show it once more. Exxon is raking in record cash. This is a political football right now, and they are number 8 on this list here. You can see Apple dominating that list with $122 billion over the last year. That was in 2022. Exxon, a bit less than that, 50 billion, less than that, 76, but still, you can see where this is going. Now, let me show you what, let me get back to our heat map here and just talk about some of the other oil majors. Now, Chevron just announced a buyback of $75 billion. It caused so much controversy that the CEO had to come and say it was overblown, but you take a look at Chevron, it's up 86% over the last 2 years. If in fact, now here's another thesis, if in fact growth is slowing once again, we're seeing the NASDAQ turn down, guess what? Energy might be outperforming. So I think those are the dynamics in play. Want to keep watching energy. It was the leader last year, and it may be this year again.
Certainly very important to keep an eye on. All right, Jared Blikre, thanks so much.